Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Toyota Corolla LE in black. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch wheels, brake assist, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 61,000 miles on the odometer, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6844.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.